Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. This two ingredients salad recipe is so yummy, so delicious, and the good thing is that it's very simple to put together and it's with ingredients you can always get. Very affordable. Let's get started. So here are the two ingredients we'll be using for this salad. We're making cucumber and cabbage salad. Just these two ingredients. So I have here half of a full cabbage and I have two cucumbers. I might be using the whole two cucumbers or one and a half. So we'll go ahead now to cut. I've already washed the cucumber. So and the cabbage is already cleaned also. I used half of the cabbage for the cabbage sauce I made last time. If you haven't seen that video, you need to see it. Very yummy something. Very yummy delicious sauce. I'll leave the link in the description box below. So I'll go ahead now and slice the cabbage. After slicing the cabbage, I'll go ahead and cut the cucumber this way. After cutting the cucumber, I'll add it to the cabbage, set it aside, and then we go ahead and prepare our salad dressing or salad cream. For our salad cream, I'll be using this low cholesterol Jago mayonnaise. About 2 or 3 tablespoons of yogurt and crushed black pepper. Mix everything together until creamy and smooth. Then add to the cucumber and the cabbage salad and mix. And here we have our cucumber and the cabbage salad looking all yummy. You can add this any other vegetable you want to, but just know that you can just use cabbage and the cucumber and make a sumptuous, delicious, simple salad. Yeah. So I just added a little parsley leaf. You can skip that. You can also add that to your salad. I'll cover this now and keep in the fridge for about 1 hour before serving. Cold salad is always very delicious. But you can also decide to serve and eat it at once and enjoy yourself. You can eat this alone or with any other side dish. Yes, treasures, we have come to the end of today's video. Thank you all for your support. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to click the like button of this video. Give it a thumbs up so that we can get it can get to other people. We can get views too. I'm begging, oh. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.